For the beginning of the video, we are going to start with dividing, or after sterilizing the tip of the E. coli broth, we are going to divide it equally into the test tubes. Once again, we had to break apart this experiment because I have broken test tubes. After separating during this process, we are separating the broth into equal amounts. After doing so, we are going to add the red dye, which is 7 drops. You can notice the quick change in the color after the 7 drops. Next, we're adding 12 drops of the BA. You see the liquid quickly change to a violet color. We're going to add 12 drops to each tube. After doing so, we're going to slightly swirl. Next, we're adding the BB liquid, which again is 12 drops. After doing so, we are going to shake the test tube to release the oxygen to the content. You can see the color change from a purple to a very bright yellow. So now we are looking at the 30 minutes mark for the S epidermis. We see no red marking besides on the tube. Therefore, I don't know to rule this out for a positive or negative. Next, we're going to sterilize the tip of the S epidermis broth. After doing so, we're going to use a dropper to add equal amounts into the test tube. Again, sterilizing the tip before placing back the cap. Now we're going to add the 7 drops of the red dye. After pouring the red dye, we're going to add BA 12 drops to each tube. After doing so, you can see the color instantly change to purple. After adding the 12 drops, we are going to lightly stir each test tube. Next, we're going to add the BB. Then we're going to move the test tube in a shaking motion to release oxygen into the content. Once doing so, the liquid goes from a bright yellow or a bright purple to a bright yellow. Sadly, we did not have a positive feedback from this one. It was left with yellow liquid.